Greetings people, Shindiver07 here with another video. First off, no. It's a pack opening followed by Walmart. Brought to you by it. Save money, live better.
What you know about saving money?
Yeah. And alongside with Tua Polsky.
What's up?
But yeah. So they restock once again. 18 packs this time.
Man. Game restocks.
18 packs. It's good. Why do I keep buying it? I don't know. It's because of this. I don't know. It's just a steal. Every time I see it, I might as well go for it.
Alright, here
Anyway,
we go.
First pack. Yeah, pretty depressed last time. Let's hope this changes. Why should be like nothing but nothing.
Nothing but Grand Blue.
Nothing but Grand Blue. Like, I'm not playing Grand Blue. My other brother is playing. 'Tis the season to be jolly. Yes, I got a wish.
Hey, that's fun.
Nova grapplers. Random Nova grapplers.
So many packs. So little time.
So.
Start off with the Station.
Yep.
That's an okay opening.
He's the second, like, I prefer running him, but the way the format is going towards, like, I have to run the other one, which is the
Spark Kid Dragoon.
Yeah, I had to run him. Otherwise, I would actually run him in a heartbeat.
So it's an okay opening.
More Grand Blue.
Go! We are done.
Dun, 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 dun.
Knowing that the fact it's thundery outside. Alright, we're done packing.
Time to return.
We're done.
He's done. Yeah. Dun, dun.
So the thundering weather gave us a sign.
Yep.
Guess we pulled it. Another one, right?
Hey, actually not too bad. The core memory.
Mm-hmm.
Hit it, draw a card. People are actually looking for it, especially if they're playing Angel Feathers. So that's pretty not bad.
I think we're done.
I think we're done buying any more. Even if they do restock on this, I'm not gonna buy it. So
key card.
Because I just got that. Maybe if I put if people wants to start looking for perfect cards or something like that, that's fine. But anyway,
we are done.
I am done. My third Vermilion. If I pull another Vermilion this, I'm done. I'm officially done.
Set 6 are done.
Set 6, I'm officially done.
You're retired.
I'm done. Set 9 would be my next thing to buy after that. Hey, stuff for Joseph.
Pull the Angel Feather.
Pull Angel Feathers.
That's fine.
Okay. And I'm just happy to have Vermilion. Galstein, let's go.
Oh my gosh.
And it's a triple rare too.
That's even better.
No, if it's an SP, that's big money.
Yeah, that is big money.
I don't know if there was an SP. No, I think there is an SP version of it.
Yeah, your version.
Yep.
Your copy.
Continuing on, more Sharks. The grade 2 for the ride chain, which
it's okay.
I already completed the deck. Oh, I already completed the ride chain already. So any more Angel Feather stuff would be donated to other people who ever plays the ride chain one, even though it's not the best one. But hey, it's free stuff for them, right?
Gives them a good start. Set 6, you're retired. So we should recap on how much money we just spent.
Yeah. Another unflipper for Grand Blue. More ponies.
My Little Pony.
My Little Bronies. Yeah.
My Little Bronies.
Oh.
Just a.
I feel happy.
happy.
Happy, happy, happy from all of us to you. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, I'm only like.
He doesn't
6.
deserve to be with that stack. He's all by himself.
He's all
Because
by
he attacks the whole front rear guard. Perfect shield. Okay, up.
Up.
Our pack up.
Up. Up.
Perfect shield. So we're done. We're done, right?
I don't think so.
Yeah, we're done.
I think so. No, I'm gonna continue on. I'm gonna keep. I'm feeling.
Pull another Vermilion and Azel. We're done.
That's just too much. It's too broken.
The fact they just it was a fresh stock too.
Yeah, they just freshed up. 18 packs. Might as well go for it.
Those little kids at Walmart was funny.
Oh, unflipper for Joseph.
He doesn't need any more of those.
He has 4, right?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, cool. If anybody needs unflippers, we have it.
Pull the 2 cards. 2 cards.
Azel rip all day. Azel.
Azel. We
I
pulled
want another
Vermilion.
Vermilion.
What's next? The Blood in set 9,
No, I
right?
can't. Yeah, that's the next one. I just need one of them.
Yeah.
To be.
He got no Persona Blast. What you pull now?
Grand and Blue.
Yo!
Deadly Swordmaster.
Joseph could finally write something.
You write something cool, right? This is a
11 base.
With 11 base, choose a unit named Deadly Spirit and a unit from your rear guard and tire them. And then it's a superior ride.
Pink Dragon for Grand Blue.
No, it's a superior ride, like
it's
Hazels and stuff. So he's actually, yeah.
So he'll be good. He'll be good. Another good card. This stock is way better. It redeemed itself.
Yeah, so, yeah, we made another one. The other one was, like, utter trash. More ponies.
My Little Pony.
Everything else was just nothing.
Hey, look, we pulled a Blonde Azel starting Vanguard. Though we already have one.
So.
That'd be nice. That's nice.
So
who cares about all the other cards, though?
So we got 4, 6. So we got 8 more packs. Man, 8 more packs to go.
This card's actually pretty interesting. We pulled another.
Ooh, I actually need a 4th one.
Hey, look, and it's a hollow one too.
More ponies.
My Little Pony.
More ponies. Cool.
My Little Pony deck, right? Yeah.
Yeah, I needed a 4th one because I don't run the damage swapping a lot. I don't swap damage a lot, so I do need to run. So I have to ride like something on like alternate attackers and stuff like that.
So Joseph's running the Deadly Spirit, Deadly Nightmare deck. Apparently now. Nah.
It's whatever.
What you pull next? A simple starting Vanguard for Nova Grappler. That's fine.
Nova Grappler.
So many packs we bought.
I know, right?
What you pull? We pulled a perfect guard for Narukami. Hey, guess what? Guess who's running Narukami now?
No.
Oh. Can I run Narukami now?
I could trade this up for the Aqua Force stuff. Then you can go for. They could go for that.
Oh man.
I feel hype. 2 perfect
This 2 perfect guards, a Vermilion, a Grand Blue, and more random stuff, which is nice.
The ride chain. I pick up a ride chain.
So what we pull?
More trash.
More trash. It's okay. We're done. We're done.
One more to go.
We're done.
Four more to go.
Oh man. I think we're officially done.
How much did I spend?
30 something. 30.
That's like pretty much a vermilion itself.
A vermilion itself.
Vermilion is like what? 20.
And then we got plus money because of the perfect guards.
Unflippers.
Unflipper for Grand Blue. That's fine.
Which also just kept going on there. Two more packs to go.
2 more packs to go, finally! Oh man. This is too hype.
Other than that, I'm officially done.
Set 6 are done.
I'm done.
Set 9, here we go. We pulled an Azel, right?
Angel Feathers.
Angel Feather.
Mobile Hospital Feather Palace. Not a good one that I want to go for. It's not a good one.
So this is the Soul Blast. The Soul Blast card for Angel Feather. That's pretty nice.
Too bad I don't need it. 2 more packs to go.
Oh man. So we're gonna pull an Azel, right?
Someone tells me it's bad. That's all.
It don't matter. We pulled Vermilion. Oh man. We pulled Azel, right?
Nope. Another grade 3.
The grade 3 for Naruto, for Angel Feather. Alright, last pack. Pull another Vermilion, right? Man, that'd be nice. The last pack. Final turn. Another Vermilion.
Nope. It's another common card.
Oh man.
It's another rare card, I mean.
Final turn failed, but oh well, who cares?
No heal triggers.
We pulled a Saish, Ryan. It's pretty
More
nice.
ponies. And more
More ponies.
Okay.
Other than that, this just sums up everything.
Yes.
That sums up everything.
This works too.
That works too.
This works too. No, this.
No, Grand Blue, no home. Other than that, those 4 cards.
Just cause it's a foil.
Just cause, so, you know. Those 4 cards, 5 cards. 4? 5.
5. So
These 5 cards.
5 out of 18. It's not. It's okay.
Vermilion counts as 10. Don't matter.
I guess. But
Vermilion just sums up everything.
Yep. But yeah, that is my 4th opening on packs these days. Getting myself a 3rd Vermilion now, so that definitely boosts out my deck. Well, that definitely helped me out get closer. That gets me closer to what I want to achieve. Narukami deck, you're almost there. So I got a gold for trade. Yeah, it's pretty good.
Yep.
It's pretty good. Pretty good. Alright. Yeah. Guess I will start doing other stuff for it now.
Set 6 is done.
Set 6.
On to set 9.
On to set 9. I think I won't do much of these in a while. So, just because, you know, already. That's a lot of.
Oh man. Vermilion limit break outside. It's raining.
Alright, but this is Shinderzers of aka Noobstar.
Alongside
with
to Polsky.
signing off.
Deuce.